Jackie Leonard is charging her daughter, Brandy, with deprivation and neglect of her 14-month-old son, Dustin. Brandy says that she's a good mother and that admits that she likes to go out and have fun, but thinks her mother should be more supportive rather than constantly nagging her.
Ms. Leonard, I have reviewed the complaint that you filed with the court, and I understand that you're deeply concerned about your daughter, Brandy. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And that she has a baby?
Yes.
And that you're concerned about her relationship with this baby. How old is the baby?
He would be 14 months on the 24th of this month.
And how old is your daughter?
She's 18. My main concern is she's not being a responsible parent when it comes to the baby. She leaves the babies, you know, when she can, anywhere she can, when it's convenient for her, so she can do her own thing.
That's not true at all. The only person that's ever watched my little boy was my friend Jessica, and that's the only one besides my mom and my grandma.
What about the people on the west side?
That's when I was dating Guy.
And you left him for days at a time because they were trying to
that's a
locate
lie.
me.
So she's not living in your home at this time?
Yes, she is living there now.
But at this time, she was not living in your
No,
home?
I had thrown her out.
Why did you throw her out?
She wouldn't listen to anything I would say, totally disrespect me, come and win as she wanted. I'm tired of that.
That's a lie.
What about leaving the baby, though, in places that your mother has
That's
described?
a lie. When I was dating my boyfriend on the west side, when she kicked me out, her sister would watch my baby.
The boyfriend that you're talking about, is that the child's father?
No.
She's told me 2 or 3 different people, and I think mainly
That's a
she told me
lie.
different names to try to make me mad. First it could be Chuck, Josh, and then I hear this other guy. I don't know.
Why is it that you don't know who's the father of this child?
I think that it's Chuck. Everybody, I mean, I slept with Josh too, so that's why there's a chance.
So you have had sexual relationships with more than one person?
2.
Now, I understand from the complaint that's been filed that you are Chuck Trout and that you are Josh Bennington. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And Brandy, you have filed a complaint with the court because you are now seeking a DNA determination to see who the father is of your child.
Well, I was dating him for like maybe...
Him being who?
Josh.
You were dating Josh.
For about 5 months, and then he cheated on me with my cousin, so like probably 2-3 weeks after that, me and Chuck got together.
Now, what's the relationship between Chuck and Josh? Do you all know each other?
Yes, it's my brother.
All right. All right, tell me your side of it. Who wants to go first, Chuck?
Me. Well, you know, we started, I kind of took her from my brother, and okay, we started going out, then we kind of broke up, we got to a fight, and then she broke up with me right in front of my house, and then she took my brother and went upstairs and slept with him.
She has just broken up with your brother, and then you go and have sexual relations with her the same
Well, she
time?
just broke up with me, and then he had sexual relations with her.
Do you believe you're the father of this child?
Maybe.
I am going to call in the DNA expert. You've been previously sworn, and you are under oath.
Yes.
And the DNA test has been performed, is that
Yes.
correct? And you have the results.
That's correct.
Tell me how accurate these results are, please.
These results are accurate. They're 99.99% accurate. We found that the father of the child is Charles Trout.
Bam.
I was positive that he was mine. I was just, you know, I wanted
You
to
were
make sure.
You weren't so
Wait,
positive
14
5
months?
minutes ago.
I was, but you don't
No,
understand. She slept with my whole family.
No.
She
Every time
Tom,
I
Dick,
take him
Chuck,
to...
Harry, we all did it.
No.
What, you do
One
not blame
minute
me
is
for
his,
wondering
and the
why?
next minute is not.
The fact is that you have slept with Chuck, with Josh, and I don't know who else. But you know, right now, that is not of my concern right this minute. I now know that Chuck is the father, and I know that we've got a baby that your mother is concerned about. Ms. Leonard, you are doing too much. I know that you are the grandmother and that you love this child, but as long as you are taking on this responsibility, it is not doing anything but allowing her to slip through and not do what she's supposed to do. Ultimately, this child is your responsibility, Brandy. I want to get a plan. Now, I am going to order, Brandy, that you and Chuck be involved in parenting skills classes. That's part of the order today. And I expect you to step up. I expect you to be partners in parenting. I don't care whether you all personally love each other or not, frankly. I am not magical. I can't make that happen. But I do expect you to be strong parents in parenting. Because I tell you, you don't get another chance to get it right for this precious baby. I'm hoping that we can all pull together and do what's in this child's best interest. If there's nothing further, we will stand adjourned.